Hi, this is Lady Nefertiti BK, and I know I have been gone for a while. There has been so many things that's been going on that I haven't been able to come on here and do much. I'm also in the middle of getting ready to move, so I'm very busy. So there's been lots of drama. Anyway, I wanted to show you this. I think this was Sensational 100% Malaysian Remi virgin hair is what this is. This hair, I just brought it back to life. I had been wearing it, I swear, every day. And the hair got raggedy. The curls were disappearing. It became frizzy and just unmanageable. So what I did was I shampooed it, I conditioned it. I left the conditioner on it for about 20 minutes. I rinsed it with warm and then cool water, and then I lightly towel dried it. Then I put my curl formers in it. What was my leave-in that I put on it? I think I just used water this time. Yeah, just water. And then I put the curl formers in the hair. And you know I have the knockoffs too. I didn't use the knockoffs. I used the real curl formers this time. And so because guess what? I almost threw this wig away. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the hair from this and I'm going to get another cap and I'm going to take the hair off of this cap and put it on another cap, on a black cap. And that's what I'm going to do. But I was able to bring it back to life. I didn't want to show you the front because look at that. What was I trying to do? What was I trying to do? But anyway, that's how it's looking. Look at those curls. Isn't that beautiful? I tried to take the curls apart. Okay, I tried to take the curls apart. I haven't taken all of them apart, just some of them. But I think it's going to look really nice when I transfer it to the new cap. So that's where that's going. And like I said, I only used water and I let it air dry overnight. And it was actually dry by the next morning. I thought I was going to have to let it sit much longer than that because I didn't want the curls to be, you know, a little damp. So, but it was actually dry. So next week I'll update you guys on my weight. I'll let you know how I'm doing with my weight. And I'm just going to try and stay on top of things while I'm going through what I'm going through. Drama. So yeah, I'll be moving soon. It won't be until next month though, but yeah, I'm going through a lot of preparations right now. And this is what I used. And I'm telling you guys need to stay on top of Sally's because sometimes Sally's has killer deals. You know how much this is? And I only paid about $24, I think, for these. Yeah, watch out for those sales. Okay, I wanted to tell you guys something else too. What was it? Oh my goodness, I don't even remember. That's what age will do to you. Anyway, so that's it for this. And this was the old one. This is the old one. This is the new one. And then I kind of changed the curls by using the curl formers on it. Okay, this is what the curl formers did. So when I put this on the new cap, I'll put it on to show you guys how it looks. So it's just so nice to know I didn't have to throw this away. But yeah, that's my update on this hair. And this is the Malaysian by Sensational. It is the 100% human Remi Malaysian hair in that yellow pack. If you look back at my old video, you'll see which one this is. Okay, so you guys take